All right, the next operation we're going to talk about is the complement, and that is complement, not compliment. Like, you know, set A isn't looking at set B and saying, hey, you're looking really nice today. It's not a compliment, it's a compliment. This is where two sets, one set looks at the other set and says, you complete me, which is a Jerry Maguire thing if you've ever seen that movie. When you're dealing with a complement, you're only dealing with two sets. Set A, and then to show that we're talking about the complement of A, the symbol is this little mark right here. Let me write that a little bigger. Let me switch to a different color. So if you have an A, that's set A. If you put a little line like right up there in the corner, now you're talking about the complement of A. And so this picture is showing you that A, let's see, A is the blue circle. It's all of this. So if you are inside of set A, you'd be here. The complement will be everything that is not in A. And not in A is going to be outside of that circle, which I'm highlighting in yellow. But A and the complement of A together make up the entire universal set. So that's why I made that joke, you know, you complete me. So if the universal set is the numbers, I'll have to go back to my pen here. If the universal set is the numbers of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then they tell you that set A is 1, 3, 5, and 7, then you would come up to the universal set and say, well, it's not going to be 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9, but it is going to be, the complement is going to be the 2, whoops, I didn't mean to do that, the 2, the 4, the 6, the 8, and the 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So if you put 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 together with 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the entire set. So they complete each other. They come together. So complements cannot have any intersections. Okay, so when you're dealing with a set and a complement, it's when you take your universal set and you divide it into two completely separate sets where they have nothing in common. So like if I was in a classroom and I said, okay, I'm going to divide you into two groups. I want all my freshmen inside that blue circle, and then I want everybody who's not a freshman inside the outside of that circle, you know, where it's shaded yellow. And that's where I would have my, go back to a black pen, I would have all my freshmen here, and then the other group would be my sophomores and my juniors and my seniors, right? So you're either a freshman or you're not a freshman. That's pretty much what you're doing with a complement. You either are in this circle or you're not in this circle. Okay, so next is the set operation of difference. Okay, a difference in math means the answer to a subtraction problem. But what you're going to do is you're going to take a set and you're going to remove things from it, which is a difference. You're subtracting them. So if they say, B minus A, that means they want you to go to circle B and remove anything that is in circle B that is also part of circle A. And in this picture, they're trying to show you that B, take away A, would leave you with this back crescent-shaped moon, or looks like the back of an eyeball there. That is circle B, but you have removed A. and the part that was in A is this part here. That is A, and so is all of this over here, but you know, that is all A, but the only part that is touching B is this part right here. So you're removing that. You're removing that green part from circle B, which would just leave you with, if I erase that, with the pink part. Now, the other example they've shown is with numbers. It says find the difference. Start with the numbers 3, 6, 9, and 12. And then they want you to remove any number x such that x is an odd integer. Odd integers, 3 is an odd integer and 9 is an odd integer. So you remove those and you're only going to be left with the 6 and the 12, which is your answer right there. And that's a difference. And I'm going to stop because this is going to take a little more time than I have left on. I have a 10-minute limit on this recording app that I use, so I'll do another video.